YouTube. You're welcome to Science Array with Glory Valentine. Today we will learn how to add links to our YouTube channel. This will direct anyone that visits your channel to your website, blog, social media, or even subscribe to your channel. Let's get started.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.
Open a browser. On your browser, you will see YouTube. Log into your YouTube channel, and when you log in, you will see your channel icon. Click on your channel icon and you will see your channel. Click your channel, and from there you will see that there is no link here on my own channel. So now we are free to add the link. Go to your channel icon again, click on YouTube Studio, scroll and you will see customization. Click on customization. We have layout, branding, basic info. Click on basic info. Scroll and you will see your channel URL and links. So when you click the plus sign, it simply means you will add a link, the link title and the URL. First, I want to add my YouTube channel. So what I need to do is I'll click on this link, copy it, and on the title name, I will enter the subscribe. Here are the 5 links which I want to add to my channel. Also note that the first link here is the primary link that will show on your channel. So you use the Hyper Transfer Text Protocol Secure for the links. It's preferable you use this. Scroll and you'll see links on banner. If you want only the first 2 links to show, click first 2 links. But I want the first 5 links to published. Then you'll see changes. Publish. You go to your channel, or you can easily view your channel. So here are the 5 links which I've added to my channel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's how to add links to your channel. Thank you for watching.